Y'all, so I'm just coming out here to talk about a little item that I just purchased that I had no clue even existed. This is a game changer. I don't know if you knew and you're a crafter. I don't know if you knew and you just didn't tell us or you just didn't tell me. Uh, yeah. So yesterday I was at Walmart and I needed a new glue gun because I have two small ones and those are not doing the job anymore. So I needed to get a bigger one. So I just stopped being cheap and guess what? I went and purchased a glue gun. Yes, this big glue gun. And it was actually $15. But guess what the magic part is? The reason why I'm making this video. It is a cordless. Cordless. I didn't even know these was even out. Like, I didn't even know they existed. This don't make no sense. I didn't know. And a lot of other people didn't know. I had shared the information on Facebook in a group, in two groups, and a lot of people didn't know about it. I and a lot of other people are shocked that you guys kept this information from us. This is a game changer. It's a game changer. Oh my gosh, this is a game changer. Like, look, in the little cup here, this little cup here. Oh, look at there. But yeah, I've had it off the charger for 2 hours now. Yeah. I've had it off the charger for 2 hours. It has a little button or a little switch here. You turn it on and off. And when I first turned it on, I turned it on just so it can warm up. And it only has a high temperature. I just love this thing. Now, I purchased some full glue sticks because that's the only thing that it'll take. Full glue sticks. But another thing I didn't know about. The rope glue stick. Like, it's a whole rope stick. One stick, rope. Ah, I didn't know about that either. So, this is a game changer. This right here is a game changer. But yeah, y'all. So, I purchased this at Walmart. It was only $15. And a lot of other people are saying theirs are like $29.99. But Walmart been having a lot of sales on a lot of their items lately, I guess because of the pandemic. But yeah, go get your cordless. I could go anywhere, and if I wasn't sitting down, I could go anywhere in my house with this gun and quickly do what I need to do. This is an amazing deal. Whomever made this, you are amazing. You are a game changer. You are a lifesaver. Thank you. Thank you. But no, that's it. I just wanted to come on and say that, y'all. And I hope you guys are doing great. Don't forget Mother's Day is on Saturday. And you tell your mommy Happy Mother's Day or you send her some gifts. You guys stay tuned to the next video. This is just a breaking news. Did you know? Okay, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.